Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to brew filtered, diabetic friendly, vitamin C, anti-carcinogens and antioxidants loaded orange and ginger coffee. And before I tell you the recipe, a walk into my gardens for some quinoas and ginger orange coffee in brief, a few words, health benefits of ginger orange coffee. You can stop the video, go through these slides in detail, and some uses of orange juice and orange peel in coffee. And now to pluck a few quinoas or kinwoos. This depends upon the flavor that you require. If you wish to dilute the flavor of orange, then take a couple of them. But if you want orange juice in totality and a strong flavor of orange juice or quinoa juice, then take more. Now set up a chopping board and a sharp chef knife. When done, remove the leaves, the branches, the twigs, but be careful, there are thorns also in them. Once done, keep some ginger and a coffee filter or coffee decoction or coffee percolator ready. But in case one does not have a coffee filter, one can still make filtered coffee using a cup, a tea strainer. How? I'll show you ahead. In the meantime, cut the quinoa or kinwu in halves, that is to extract the juice out of them, and cut the smaller ones and take out some slices. These slices are very important. These slices, when added to the coffee, and when the coffee is sipped, they add a fresh flavor of orange juice. That is why, therefore, they are very important. When done, as usual, squeeze out the juice from the quinoas or kinwoos. And as I mentioned, if you wish to dilute the flavor of orange or kinwu juice, then add some water. Otherwise, you can take the juice in totality also without dilution. But as I always say, the stronger the better. Therefore, when the juice is done, set it aside and let's get ahead. Now, types of coffee brewed using coffee filter, decoction or percolator. Decoction coffee, which is mild and normal; filtered coffee, which is very strong in taste; and percolated coffee, which is very harsh and very strong. Now, aag lagao, as we always say. So, done, set up a saucepan, add some water from any natural source, and when it comes to a boil, switch off the flame and set aside. Now, add freshly grounded coffee powder to the coffee filter and add jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sweetener. Remember the ratio. Dab or duff a couple of times, and when done, add the boiling hot water and set aside to filter. There, that is how it will look like. Shut the lid, set aside for 10 to 15 minutes and allow the coffee to filter. In case you do not have a coffee filter, you can still make a filtered coffee using only a cup, a tea strainer and a cheese or a muslin cloth. How? Place the folded cheese or muslin cloth in the tea strainer and place it in the cup. Now add the coffee powder. Once done, as per as the coffee required, add cold or hot water And once done, set aside for 10 to 15 minutes and use the filtered coffee as desired. That is what it should look like. Now, aag lagao once again and add the juice of quinoa or kinwu, and add grated or chopped ginger to the juice, cinnamon as per as taste, add jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sweetener, again as per as taste. Stir well and allow to heat or boil as desired. An important question: can fruit juice be heated? Is the juice safe to consume? Yes, the juice is 100% safe. There is no loss of nutrients during the process of heating. Rather, heated juice is very nice for soothing a sore throat and getting some nourishment while sick, relieving a sour stomach, relieving constipation, etc. However, if one feels, one can add an additional vitamin C tablet too. Now, switch off the heat when the juice of kinwu or kinwu is heated as desired, and in the meantime, filter or decoction or percolator coffee is ready. There, that is what it looks like. And now, pour the filter or decoction or percolated coffee as much as you require, as per as your taste, into the cups or glasses. Technically speaking, it should be glasses, not cups. Now, when done, pour the boiling hot kinwu or kinwu juice into the glasses. Beautiful, isn't it? But wait. Look at that color. Beautiful. And imagine the fragrance. It's really filling the air. When done, now add a little more coffee. This is optional, but I always do it. I always prefer it. A little more coffee to make it stronger. And when done, add the slices for freshness, remember? So add the slices of kinwu or kinwus, a little more coffee to activate the juice in the slices. Now when done, serve and enjoy with all your known. And remember, and as I always say, your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.